Welcome to Communicative English for Teachers. This online course is designed especially for B.Ed students and government school teachers. It supports learners with an Urdu background and limited English proficiency. The course develops listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills together. You will improve grammar, pronunciation, and communication step by step. Focus on speaking clearly and using your English confidently in these real classroom situations. This course helps you grow as an effective and confident teacher. By the end, you will communicate clearly and confidently in English. Learning is practical, simple, and activity-based. The course is fully online and self-paced.